Hello and hello everyone. So this is my first ever vlog on my first ever YouTube channel और जो मेरा vlog है वो होने वाला है मेला मेला 2025 एनिमे जापान इवेंट के बारे में. By the way, a quick introduction about myself. मेरा नाम है अर्नव AKA ओज और मेरे vlogs देखो रोज रोज. और यहाँ से सबसे पहले जाने वाले अपन पैसिफिक मॉल टैगोर गार्डन में. मैं रहता हूँ यहाँ वैशाली में और लेट्स सी कि क्या क्या होता है वहाँ पर, बिकॉज आई अश्योर यू दिस इज गोना बी अ फन ट्रिप. और मैं यहाँ पे जाऊँगा यहाँ से एनिमे फेस्ट, वहाँ पे जापान में क्या क्या कल्चर है और वहाँ के एनिमे के बारे में एनिमे, बिकॉज बीइंग माई सेल्फ आई एम अ बिग एनिमे फैन. सो लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है. और मैं लोगों से छोटे छोटे इंटरव्यूज़ भी लूँगा और उसके बाद आई विल पोस्ट द वीडियो, माई फर्स्ट वीडियो. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है. मेक श्योर टू कीप वॉचिंग एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. लेट्स गो. निकल रहे हैं मेट्रो स्टेशन के लिए. वहाँ से वी विल बाई टिकट्स और टोकन व्हाटएवर इट इज़ एंड देन वी विल हेड टुवर्ड्स टैगोर गार्डन पैसिफिक मॉल. लेट्स गो. प्लीज होप गुड फॉर अस. तो अपन पहुँच चुके हैं वैशाली मेट्रो स्टेशन के गेट पर और यहाँ से अपन लेंगे अंदर एंट्री. सो अपन पहुँच चुके हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे और एक एक कदम के साथ मेरी हार्ट बीट बढ़ती जा रही है. अपन बुक कर रहे हैं टिकट्स फॉर द मेट्रो. मुझे सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि क्या मुझे सुभाष नगर के लिए मेट्रो टिकट्स बुक करनी पड़ेंगी या टैगोर गार्डन के लिए, बिकॉज पैसिफिक मॉल देखना पड़ेगा किससे नज़दीक पड़ता है. तो अपन लोगों को ये पता चला कि जो पैसिफिक मॉल टैगोर गार्डन है वो नियर बाई सुभाष नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन है. टिकट्स हो गई है अपन की बुक और यहाँ से वी आर गोइंग टू द एंट्री ऑफ मेट्रो स्टेशन. अपनी मेट्रो आ चुकी है. वी आर रनिंग टुवर्ड्स इट. I hope we get a seat. So we just got into the metro right now and keep watching, y'all. अच्छी खबर ये है कि जो अपनी मेट्रो है वो सीधे यहाँ से जाएगी सुभाष नगर के लिए और फ्रॉम देयर वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है पैसिफिक मॉल का. और आई थिंक कितना टाइम हो रहा है 5:40 हो रहा है. लेट्स होप कि वी रीच देयर ऑन टाइम एंड बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू मिस दैट इवेंट. मुझे रहना पड़ेगा खड़ा. और ये है बाहर कोई मॉल, पैसिफिक मॉल. आई थिंक कौशाम्बी का पैसिफिक मॉल है. बढ़ती ही जा रही है और मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा क्योंकि मेरे पीछे कितना रश है मेट्रो में. इस साइड भी आप देख सकते हो, साइड भी देख सकते हो, मेरी साइड भी देख सकते हो. नियर अबाउट 6 बजने वाले हैं और धीरे धीरे टाइम भी बढ़ रहा है और मेरी हार्ट बीट भी बढ़ रही है, जिसके साथ मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि अपन कितने बजे तक सुभाष नगर पहुँचेंगे. और क्योंकि अगर लेट पहुँचेंगे तो मेरे पास लेट टाइम रहेगा, मतलब कम टाइम रहेगा मेरे पास एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए और लोगों से इंटरव्यूज़ वगैरह लेने के लिए. बट वन थिंग आई श्योर यू कि जितना भी टाइम रहेगा आई विल मेक श्योर दैट यू कीप एंटरटेन्ड. सो मेट्रो में मेरी ब्लॉगिंग को देख के कुछ लोगों ने किया मुझे सपोर्ट, जिससे कि मैं हो गया हूँ मोटिवेट और इसके बाद मैं इसमें और एफर्ट देने वाला हूँ और इसको और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने वाला हूँ. स्टेशंस की लिस्ट देखकर पता चला कि यहाँ से 15 स्टेशन बाद पड़ेगा सुभाष नगर. वेटिंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 45 मिनट्स मुझे मिल गई है सीट और मैं यहाँ बैठ कर आनंद ले रहा हूँ. खड़े रहने के बाद जो आनंद मिलता है बैठने का, धीरे धीरे मेरी एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ती जा रही है और आई एम काइंड ऑफ लाइक यू नो इन हरी. दैट्स द थिंग. फाइनली अगला स्टेशन है सुभाष नगर और वहाँ पर उतर कर मुझे जाना है लेफ्ट से जाना है पैसिफिक मॉल. सो मैं फाइनली ले रहा हूँ मेट्रो से एग्जिट और इधर से मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कि पैसिफिक मॉल किधर पड़ेगा. इसे पूछना पड़ेगा मुझे. आप बता सकते हो पैसिफिक मॉल किधर पड़ेगा? ओके, यहाँ पर है काफ़ी भीड़. लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि सीधे जाना है पैसिफिक मॉल जाने के लिए.
आजा भाई, पैसिफिक मॉल जाना है.
पैसिफिक मॉल जाने के लिए 10 रुपये सवारी, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतनी दूर है वो, क्योंकि उससे में मुझे ये भाई मिला कि पैसिफिक मॉल और यहाँ से लेट्स सी कि मतलब जापान फेस्ट वहाँ पे अभी लगा है कि नहीं, क्योंकि द टाइमिंग दैट वाज शोन ऑन द इंटरनेट वाज अराउंड लाइक 8 PM, राइट? तो यही है ना। तो दिस इज द पैसिफिक मॉल और यहाँ से एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं अपन। थैंक यू। अपन को लेनी है एंट्री कैसे? ओके, so here it is. लग रहा है कि जापान फेस्ट का लोगो यही है और अपन को उधर ही जाना है। This is the Mela Mela Anime Japan event. Discover the wall of Japan in India. I'm quite excited. आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे काफ़ी भीड़ है और लेट्स सी कि एंट्री किधर से है। आई थिंक एंट्री यही है शायद। I can already see anime lovers people's. I'm gonna ask people like what kind of character they are portraying right now, cosplaying and whatever it is. See कि क्या होता है। एंड आप देख सकते हो लाइन काफ़ी लंबी है। थैंक गॉड कि अभी भी टाइम है अपने पास एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, इंटरव्यूज देने के लिए। Damn, so damn.
Everyone changed their costumes.
Okay, so मुझे अभी just पता चला कि people are just changing their costumes. Oh my god, like ये बहुत ही sad news है, but let's see still what we can explore. Let's hope for the best, people. Let's hope for the best. Right? So let me show you the main entry of Mela Mela Anime Japan 2025. So this is the entry of Mela Mela Anime Japan 2025. Well, let's explore Japan in India, okay? Are people gonna give me? So, I just got a band for the Anime Fest, and here is the entry. Holy Mary checking. Oh, okay. So here are the stuffs that we are gonna explore, okay? Aju Nagomi, and this is I think some anime manga. Okay, people are saying कि आप जापानीज चीज़ों को देख सकते हो, एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो। Like here, wow. So here are as you can see, it is available on Crunchyroll and more. And okay, I mean, just tell me in comments ki where do you watch these animes? Wow. Oh, here you can see the craze for anime fans, anime lovers. Here are people who are exploring the anime cultures and stalls. So here's the different kind of stalls here, like Geek Pop and Kasuka Bay dancers. Oh, it's a Shinchan franchise, I guess. And apart from that, यहाँ पे है मेला मेला का पूरा board और King Records and Mitsui & Co. And here's the stall and here's everyone. So questions करने जा रहा हूँ छोटे छोटे की, like about their food and everything. You can see konnichiwa to everyone. Hello. Hi. So this is a stall of Aju Nagomi family dining, and can you describe me? I think this is wasabi, right?
Yes, wasabi.
So this is wasabi and this is sushi. Okay. So what's the name of this one?
Japanese sweet. Dango.
Okay, tango. Okay.
I don't know how to.
It's okay.
I know.
Let me tell you guys, ये है lady's finger like bhindi. This is cucumber like kheera. This is just rice mixed with vinegar. This is radish. This is also radish. Carrot. Sorry, this is carrot. This is radish. And then this one, this is salmon, like uncooked salmon, and this is scrambled egg. And what's this one?
Nori.
Nori. And that's, I think, the seaweed, right?
Yes.
The strip of seaweed. I get
Yes.
it. I think that this is kind of like kind of bitter, right? Hot. Okay. So, can I taste it?
Yes, sure.
Okay, for sure.
But you taste little. Okay, if you.
Yeah, I get it. Can you give me on my finger? Let's taste it. Let's taste the wasabi on the finger. Okay.
Noodles में है.
Okay, so it's the first time tasting the wasabi. Dang it. I don't know why, but it tastes familiar.
How much for the fan?
No, that's
Someone is here is trying to buy the fan, but I don't think that's for sale. So I just tasted wasabi for the first time in my life, and kind of like mixture of like different things. But it does taste good. I think I would like to taste all the other stuff that you have. What can I taste here? Does it have any price or something? What's the price of it? Oh, I get it.
Fresh sushi is 200.
Okay.
Non-veg is 200.
Okay.
And tango and dorayaki is finished. 120, 120.
Okay, so do you think, guys, I should taste it? I think I should definitely taste this one. I'm gonna taste this one, okay? Let's taste this one. Chopsticks, and I've never used chopstick before. I just only tried to use it like that in a way that we use pen and everything. So, okay, so this is the soy sauce, and this is wasabi, and this is the stuff that I'm gonna taste. Okay, wet sushi. Let's taste it, guys, for the first time ever. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. मुझे पता था कि ये बोल रहा है, बट मैं इसमें भूल गया था कि क्या ही बोल रहा है. So this veg sushi for the first time. Let's see how does it taste. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. What is this called? What was
This is
it?
lady finger.
No, just the whole
Veg sushi.
veg sushi. Okay, I get it. So I'm gonna taste it for the first time. Okay, for the whole, like, do I have to take a bite or just take it whole? Whole. Wow.
Good.
That's not just good, that's excellent.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you so much. This is my second stop. This is carrot, right?
Yes, carrot.
Oh my god. I got something out of my mouth. Okay, let's see. Should I use the chopsticks? Okay, let me. Oh, I just tried the Indian way. So let's try the Japanese way. Am I using it right? Okay, so let's taste this one. Okay.
हमने अच्छी सुशी खाई.
No need chopstick. One hand chopstick and one hand chopstick.
Like saving Indian and Japanese, right? Sushi.
कंडी भी नहीं आती है.
This is cucumber, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, nice. Good, no?
I'm running out of words. How do you describe how does it taste? I'm gonna use some wasabi.
Okay.
Get the reaction of everyone around me.
Arigatou gozaimasu. I do like wasabi also.
I'm sweating after eating wasabi. Please, everyone, be careful while eating this one. Do not take a large amount of that if you're eating this. Just eat a pinch of that. Eat a pinch of that, everyone. Otherwise, you're gonna just sweat like me. Just blew my mind away. Wow.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Very thank you.
So this is my second tasting of the second non-veg sushi. I just enjoyed every bite of this one, and I think I'm gonna enjoy this one. I think already.
This is not very interesting. Can I take?
Yeah, you can take.
Yes.
You can send me the video as well.
Very
Lord.
interesting.
Okay. This is one bite, right?
Yes.
The fish taste is so creamy. Like, why does India not have something like this? This is really salmon.
Yes.
Uncooked, right?
Yes.
Wow. Where did you get the salad? Like from like imported?
Yes, it's important.
Wow. Only word that I'm coming up with right now is wow. What else I can say? Like
Just looking like a wow.
just looking like wow, wow.
Yes.
Right.
We also use.
So what's your name?
Ayaka. My name is Ayaka.
My name is Arno.
Ayaka.
Arno. Can you pronounce it? Okay.
I know.
It does sound like I know. No. Do you like live here? Like
I like India. That's why I like
oh, you came here. That's why you like it. What do you like about India?
people.
Wow. What's your name? Una. Oh. Okay. Then what's your name? Chi, the wife of Goku, Kakaroto. Right? From Dragon Ball Z, that's the name of Chi. So where do you live in Japan?
I'm from Nagaland.
From Nagaland. Wow.
Yes.
And you're from Japan, right?
Yes.
Where do you live in Japan?
Near Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Yes.
Wow. How far is it from Fukuoka?
My grandma is living.
I'm studying a lot. Like, where is Tokyo?
Yokohama.
Yokohama. That's all. And it's been a pleasure to talk to you all. And Madale. Bye everyone. Bye. Hope to see you again. It's been nice talking to you all. Bye bye. Can you give me a quick introduction of yourself? Like, क्या अपना नाम बता सकती हो? क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? मोनिका. Okay, so मेरा नाम अर्नव है and मैं तुमसे कुछ questions पूछने वाला हूँ छोटे-छोटे. What was the first anime that you saw?
Darling in the Franxx.
Darling in the Franxx. Okay. So अभी कौन सा character cosplay करी तुम?
Demon Slayer से Hashira, Mitsuri Hashira.
Okay, I think that's a quite famous character. Okay. Do you have any favorite character? I think the one you are portraying right now. Is that it? So what's your favorite character?
High school DXD से रियाज गर्मी.
Okay. In general, तुमने अभी तक कितने सारे एनिमेज देखे हैं? Maybe like lump sum amount of that.
1000 से ऊपर.
1000 से ऊपर. ओके इतने तो मैंने भी नहीं देखे भाई अभी तक. और फिर तुमको एक चांस मिले कि तुम दुनिया के सामने एक कोड बताना चाहोगी कोई एनिमे का, तो तुम कौन सा कोड बोलना चाहोगी? हिंदी में भी हो सकता है, जापानीज में भी हो सकता है, इंग्लिश में भी हो सकता है.
ना ऐसा कोई कोड नहीं है.
कोई कोड नहीं है. ओके तो ये बताओ कि तुम्हारी जो फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है एनिमे का, उसका कोई एक कोड पता तुमको? नहीं पता. इट्स ओके कोई बात नहीं है. तो मतलब लास्ट टाइम तुमने कॉस्प्ले कब किया था?
1 वीक पहले.
एक
मैं
पहले.
एक
Okay.
यूट्यूबर हूँ. मैं
Okay,
कॉस्प्ले
okay.
करती हूँ,
Okay, okay.
स्ट्रीम करती हूँ, वैसे कॉस्प्ले करके बैठी.
Okay, so let's give her an increase in her followers. So, what's your channel name?
Barbie's Life.
Barbie's Life. Barbie's Life.
Barbie में से 8 हटा दो.
Okay, Barbie's Life. Okay, I get it. कोई 5 रैंडम एनिमे जो तुम सजेस्ट करना चाहोगी मेरे व्यूअर्स को?
One Piece, Naruto, Attack on Titan.
Okay.
और हाई स्कूल DXD तो है ही.
Okay.
लोगों को नहीं पसंद आता, मुझे तो आता है.
हाँ मैं समझ रहा.
और एक और है ब्लू स्प्रिंग राइट, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
उसकी लव स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है.
ओके तो ये सारे तुमने खत्म कर दिए देख के. वाओ. इनमें से कोई तुम्हारा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर? डीमन स्लेयर. वाओ दैट ऑफ कोर्स. कोई ऐसा मुझे एनिमे बताओ जो एक एनिमे हो जो तुम पूरे वर्ल्ड को सजेस्ट करना चाहोगी? वन पीस. सो गाइस यू नो वन पीस का क्रेज अभी भी बरकरार है. जितने सारे न्यू एनिमेज आए या कुछ भी आया, लेकिन वन पीस विल ऑलवेज रॉक द वर्ल्ड. ओके सो रहेगा ही रहेगा, है ना. तो डू यू नो समथिंग अबाउट द गियर 5 लुफी? गियर 5 10 out of 10. She's rating Luffy 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm a big fan of Luffy. So is that your last cosplay like here? ये सिर्फ आज का है. इसके
कॉमिक कॉन में करूंगी अब सीधा.
क्योंकि कॉमिक कॉन में अपन होने वाला है ना. तो व्हाट कैरेक्टर यू आर ट्राइंग टू प्ले देयर कॉस्प्ले?
वैलोरेंट पता ही होगा.
Yeah,
जेट करूंगी इसमें से. और एक है एडामॉन, गेम में से ही करूंगी. और एक है एनिमे से मतलब एनिमे से वो पता नहीं, अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ दूसरा.
Okay.
तीसरा वाला. दो डिसाइड करते हैं.
Okay, so it's okay. So no problem with that. So tell me one thing. Like you know, it's hard for anime lovers and anime fans here in India to cosplay, right? You know, it's not that famous and famous भी नहीं है. और like the way you are getting like all these accessories that you are wearing right now. So
So tell me, like, how do you manage it, and how do you go against the norms of people that are like against these kind of cultures and everything, who do not like it in general?
लोगों का क्या काम है?
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना है ना.
चार लोग कहेंगे हम इग्नोर
राइट राइट
करेंगे.
राइट क्योंकि
हमारा पैसा नहीं है.
राइट राइट राइट
करेंगे.
क्योंकि चार लोग कभी जरूरत पे काम नहीं आते, बट ऐसे मौके पे टांग खींचने आ जाते
टांग खींचने सब आ
हैं.
जाते
या आई गेट इट. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज ऑल दिस एक्सेसरीज?
पॉकेट मनी से.
लाइक वेयर डू यू बाय इट? हाउ डू यू बाय इट?
इंस्टाग्राम में एक पेज है
Okay.
आइस्ट्री नाम से, वहाँ से करती हूँ.
Okay.
और कुछ है ऐसे मतलब alibaba.com वगैरह, वहाँ से भी आ जाता है.
ओके ओके ओके
बस ये है कि थोड़ा सा स्कैम वगैरह रहता है.
I get it.
इंस्टाग्राम वाला स्कैम नहीं है,
ओके
अलीबाबा वाला स्कैम है.
Okay.
ध्यान से वहाँ से अगर
Okay, I get it. क्योंकि Alibaba, you know, it's from outside of India. So let's hope for the best, and thank you for giving me such an interview, and it's so nice to meet you, and I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching us. Say hi.
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ स्टॉल्स बंद हो चुके हैं जिनके साथ मैं सेल्फी लेने वाला हूँ. शिन चैन. तो
Okay, konnichiwa, Indoe yokoso.
arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay. So, what's your name? Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Yukari from Japan, Tokyo.
Okay,
Yeah.
Tokyo. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna ask you quick questions.
Okay.
Tell me something about this fest. Okay, this Mela Mela Japan 2025 Anime Fest. Just tell me something about it.
Do you know Beyblade X?
Okay, I know about Beyblade. I mean, I've been a big fan of Beyblade franchise.
Really?
Yeah, I used to watch it as a kid. I still watch it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do watch
On
it.
TV?
No, on Crunchyroll and other platforms.
Crunchyroll, yeah.
So tell me more about like your this fest and everything.
This place,
And this is a heaven for like anime lovers and Japan culture lovers, right?
please come next time and next year and enjoy Japan culture, anime, food and fashion.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, this fest should last more than 2 days. It's not enough if it's only
really?
2 days.
Enough?
Yeah, I just
Not enough?
No, not enough. It needs to be for more days, like at least for 1 week, right?
1 week.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, this should be like last longer.
I'm thinking.
Tell me something about like what brought you into this one, anime culture and everything. You grew up watching anime, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what was the first ever anime that you ever saw?
First one. Anime.
Yeah.
Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer.
Yeah.
Mine was Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah, it was my first one.
Shinchan, Doraemon, and
Yeah. And apart from that, my favorite was like you know Ninja Tori,
Ninja Hattori.
Doraemon,
yeah, I
and other Shinchan and every other one.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, just tell me about it.
I'm advertising. I belongs to advertising agency, and
You can take your time. It's okay.
we organize comics.
Comics.
Yeah.
Okay, like manga.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like manga and anime. Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, I'm absolutely a fan of manga and anime. I grew up watching that. And what is your favorite anime? Can you tell me about it?
Sailor Moon.
Sailor Moon. Okay, Sailor Moon. I get it.
Yeah.
Sailor Moon. It was Sailor Moon. Oh my God.
Oh,
I get it.
no.
Sailor Moon. I have seen that.
Yeah,
I've seen that. And apart from that, I've seen Seven Deadly Sins and every other thing. Any anime code that you relate with and that you would like to tell every other one on this planet.
Be honest.
Wow, that's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Honesty is the best policy, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. And you are being honest about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, of
okay.
course.
How did you start this career?
This a career.
Yeah.
15 years ago.
15 years?
Yeah.
15 years ago. Wow.
Yeah.
What did you study for that?
I study a law.
Hello.
Law. You know. Law.
Less?
No. Lawyer.
Oh, okay. I get it. What was the feel of your study?
I didn't study like the contents or produce something.
Okay.
When I was university student.
So you're a graduate, right?
Yeah. And I joined to advertising agency.
Okay. What's the best place that you would like me to visit in Japan?
like Tokyo, Osaka, and you have to go, countryside. So
Okay.
you can feel the real Japan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All these stalls, these are all under your administration, right? Okay, so tell me one by one. Okay, this one, the Beyblade X. The Beyblade X.
Yeah.
Please zoom on that. Okay, so everyone is kind of familiar with Beyblade, right?
Yeah.
Tell me about this particular stall.
The store, you can play the new 3 Beyblade X trend.
Okay,
Yeah.
oh, I think I should try that, right?
Yeah.
I should try that. Okay, so I think it's been a pleasure to interview you.
Thank you.
And what should I say? Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。
Okay.
वन शूट। मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, हम लोगों ने अभी तुरंत बेब्लेड खेला और मैं कोशिश कर रहा कि किसी और नेक्स्ट स्टॉल में जाते हैं। लेट्स सी कि यहाँ पर क्या होता है, कैसे होता है। की कॉस्ट्यूम पहन के मैं फोटोज ले लूँ अपनी। दिस इज किमोनो, राइट? किमोनो। Okay, so I'm gonna wear kimono for the first time in my life. Let's start. भाई ने हेल्प की मेरी इसको टाई करने में और पहनने में। सो अब यहाँ से मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टॉल की तरफ। और तो ये था स्टॉल स्ट्राइक वर्ल्ड रिडेम्पशन जोन का, और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ डोरेमोन की तरफ। इसमें समुराई बनने व्लॉग होने वाला है प्रिंसेस ऑर्केस्ट्रा यहाँ पर। और We enjoyed a lot, but unfortunately कुछ स्टॉल्स बंद हो चुके हैं जिनके साथ एंट्री ब्लॉक हो चुकी है। So let's see अब किधर जाते हैं अपन लोग। Get some photos. I am with what's your name?
I am Rengoku.
Rengoku. Okay, so he's portraying Rengoku. Okay, so I think that's your favorite character, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, my favorite Hashira is Sanimi.
Okay, I get it. Can you do a pose of that? Okay, so that was interesting. So what was the first anime that you ever saw?
Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's good. That's a cool one, right? And what about one quote that you would like to say out to the world?
One quote.
One quote from any of the anime that you've ever seen.
Even if you're embarrassed to do something,
Yeah.
world doesn't care about it. Just do it.
Whoa,
Just like I did.
that's one. मतलब कि चार लोग क्या कहेंगे कोई मतलब नहीं करता है, अपना जो मन करे वो करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Even if you're in a cosplay and you're shy to do it, do it.
Yeah, for sure,
Nobody cares.
for sure. Suggest 5 anime to the world that you would like to suggest them. 5 anime must watch.
Okay. So you can watch One Piece if you have patience.
Okay, first one, One
Exactly, watch all the episodes.
Okay. Oh my God, that's a long story. Another one.
If you are a beginner, you can watch Death Note.
Okay.
Very beginner friendly.
Death Note is a good one.
Attack on Titan, my personal favorite.
Yeah, it is the best.
Bleak. The story is really rich.
Okay, yeah, I get it.
And the last one I would suggest, watch some rom-com.
Whoa.
If you wanna like learn Japanese through anime,
Yeah,
you
I
can
get
watch
it.
some rom-com.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
So people just watch rom-com and comment what kind of anime you like and what kind of suggestions you would give to other people, okay? Wow.
Meet again at Comic Con.
Okay, let's meet again. What's the date for it? Can you tell? Can
December
you?
2nd and 3rd. Let's meet again at Comic
Okay, and what's the place?
Con. Actually, Actually, it's not.
It's not decided, right? I get it. Okay. So I hope you for the best and just do the what kind of character you're gonna portray again?
Probably Rengoku again.
Just say him.
Probably with you.
Okay, watching and subscribe to my channel. Do you have an Instagram or something?
I have.
Okay, just share your Instagram.
My Instagram is haru.3a. haru.3a.
Okay, so please make sure to like him. He's doing a lot and he just looks damn good, right?
Thank you, guys.
Here we are with another cosplayer, and that is, what's your name? Vansh. He is Vansh, and he is doing a character that is kind of more famous than Naruto right now. No, not famous. Naruto is the best, right? But you are playing his son, Boruto, right? Yes. Okay, so how did you come to like this cosplay culture and everything?
So like I visited Comic Con back in 2020.
Okay, where was it?
Okla.
Okay, Okla. Okay.
So I went to Delhi Comic Con. I saw the people doing cosplay. I was like,
Wow.
maybe I should do it. You know.
Okay, yeah, and I think you're doing it quite well.
Then I tried.
I mean, you're just recognizable. I just saw you and I was like, he's Boruto. Okay, and the other thing is like, what's your favorite quote from any of the anime that you've ever seen?
Never gave up from Naruto.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. And what do you think is the best anime of all? I think it's Naruto, right? That the one I think it's Naruto for him. Suggest 5 anime for people to watch, must watch.
So I will tell my top 5. It's
Yeah.
Naruto, One Piece, Code Geass, Attack on Titan, and Steins Gate.
Okay, I get it. And what was the first anime that you ever saw? Naruto. Mine was Dragon Ball Z. Mine was Dragon Ball Z. I mean, we grew up watching that as well. So I think it's been nice to talk to Vansh, and now we are heading to another guy that is doing the cosplay. Are you doing a cosplay, right? Whoa! Now introduce yourself. What's your name? Whoa! He just knows Japanese damn well. You just know this one, or do you know?
I'm learning Japanese.
Oh, that's a good one. From where you're learning it?
I'm learning it from Bunpo and from Instagram and YouTube.
Okay, that's good one. So tell me, how did you get into this cosplayer culture?
I'm actually a huge fan of anime. And
Wow,
it
me.
practically saved my life when I was at my lowest.
I get
Friends
it.
were busy, and
Whoa.
I was practically suicidal at the point.
I can just literally relate with that. And last time when Toriyama died, I was just crying on the terrace because I was so sad. It also gave me courage when I was watching Dragon Ball Z and I was at my lowest too. So cheers for that, mate. And how did you get into this anime?
When I was a kid, I used to watch Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon and everything. एक पोकी ट्यूबर है भाई लोग कड्डा पहले बहुत सुनता था.
Okay, yeah.
Remember him, भाई लोग कड्डा? I used to watch his videos occasionally.
Okay.
And while watching a video, he referred to Naruto.
Wow.
About a Koyama reference in Pokemon. So I was like, hey, let's give it a shot.
Wow, that's good. And you just got into anime like that.
And
That's a good story, right?
Now my favorite anime is One Piece.
One Piece, I mean, whoa.
Berserk.
One Piece rocks, right?
One Piece rocks, bhai.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is a great one. Let me show you something.
Oh yeah, sure. Just capture that, brother. Whoa, that was quite a move, right? That was quite a move. Yeah, do it again. That was a damn balance, right? Cheers to Anime Fam. And apart from that, मुझे ये बताओ कि like what are the 5 animes that you would suggest to the world?
वन पीस भाई दुनिया में है कुछ जो चल रहा है भाई सब कुछ है भाई वन पीस में मास गेनोसाइड्स फिर उसके बाद आपका करप्ट गवर्नमेंट करप्टेड नोबल्स भाई लगता है कि बहुत फन और कामिंग एनिमे है जो कि है भी बट एट द सेम टाइम वो वर्ल्ड की सारी डार्क रियलिटीज को भी कवर करता है
Right,
चाइल्ड लेबर ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग सारी चीज़ों को कवर करता है
exactly right.
तो उसमें भाई ये सारी चीजें करो थी तो वन पीस एंड वागाबॉन्ड
I get it.
एनिमे इतना वो नहीं करूंगा बट मांगा बिकॉज वागाबॉन्ड इज द टाइप ऑफ आर्ट विच द आर्टिस्ट डिडंट चूज द आर्ट चूज द आर्टिस्ट
Yeah, right. You are absolutely right, man. That was a code, right?
He was a digital and modern artist at before.
Yeah, I get it.
He used to make cyberpunk type art.
I get it.
But then he went into traditional Japanese cultural events. I would also suggest Full Metal Alchemist.
Yeah, that-
Nanatsu Taizai, Seven Deadly Sins.
Nanatsu no Taizai, right? I get it.
Hunter, कितने हो गए? 4 हो गए ना?
4 हो गए. One more. Go on, bro. One more.
Let me think. Either Naruto or JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
I think that goes to Naruto, right?
भाई JoJo's.
But you did the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. I think that goes to JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, right?
Naruto was my first one, so it has a deep emotional bond.
I get it,
And
I get
JoJo
it.
भाई मैं पहले बोल रहा हूँ, वो सबके समझ में नहीं आने वाला. 9 उसके सीजन्स है. पहले तो भाई 3-4 सीजन में तो पोता चलता है. फिर दूसरा भाई अलग ही सीन चलता है. उसके बाद फिर मल्टीपल टाइमलाइन क्रिएट हो जाते हैं भाई, तो सबके समझ में नहीं आएगा. बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है.
बट मजा आएगा देखने में.
मुझे 3-4 बार देखना पड़ा टाइमलाइन समझने के लिए भाई उसे. बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग शो है भाई.
I get it.
Watch it on your own risk.
Right, exactly right.
भाई there is a chance that you could even become gay भाई. भाई there is a chance. मैंने देखा है, मेरा दोस्त बना है भाई. जो there is a chance.
Tell me in the comments what you think about this one, right?
राजा भाई मैं खुद गिटारिस्ट हूँ, आर्टिस्ट हूँ, खुद के गाने बनाता हूँ, edit बनाता हूँ.
Wow, that's good one. Okay, so what's your Instagram ID?
My Instagram is otaku_memer278. OTAKU_memer MEMER 278.
278.
बाकी मेरा YouTube चैनल है CHAOTIC_FENRIR_MUSIC Chaotic Fenrir Music.
Wow. You are looking awesome. Just do the pose again. Okay, so and what's your Instagram or YouTube?
My one Sony 6340.
6340. The fest is over. There is no entry right now. That's closed. Fully closed, right? I just really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to go to the Comic Con again. मैं दोबारा कोशिश कर रहा कि Comic Con भी जाऊंगा और वहाँ पर जाकर और सारे लोगों से मिलूंगा, इंटरव्यूज़ लूँगा और इसको एक्सप्लोर करूँगा. Bye-bye to the fest and bye-bye to everyone. मेरा जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा, पता नहीं क्यों. 8:30 हो रहा, but let's go. Once and bro, bye everyone. और सारे interesting topics और interesting videos लाऊंगा, okay? So all of these guys are coming back from the Anime Fest. और ये, wow, what did you get? तुम्हें क्या मिला? Oh, pain lever. Okay. So this is something that they got. What's your name, guys?
My name is Kunal.
This is Ankit. Okay. So nice to meet Kunal and Ankit. So अपना ट्रिप एंड हो चुका है और we are heading back to Vaishali. We are already our metro just stopped in Vaishali, so we are getting out of the metro. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked it. Stay engaged. Keep watching. I will keep posting, and you keep watching. Just make sure one thing: comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. Love you all, guys. Hasta la vista.